Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install Linuxmint inside VirtualBox. So let's get started. First, open up VirtualBox, then click on New to create a new virtual machine. Name it something related to Linuxmint. I'm just going to name it Linuxmint. For the type, select Linux, and for the version, select Ubuntu 64-bit. Click on Next. For the hardware, I'm just going to leave everything as default. Click on Next. And for the hard disk, I'm going to leave it as 25 gigabytes. Click on Next and Finish. Now we can go into our settings. Go to Storage. Hit this empty disk here. Go to this Chooser. Click on Choose a disk file. And browse for where we downloaded our Linuxmint ISO. I have it on my downloads folder, so just open it and click on OK. Now we can start up our virtual machine. Okay, so just click on Start Linuxmint 64-bit. And let me close out these annoying pop-ups. It's going to boot into the live environment from where we can hit the icon on the desktop that is created for us to install Linuxmint. And we'll have that start sound. This is Linuxmint. This is the operating system you're going to be installing. So just click on Install Linuxmint on the icon on your desktop that it has. Wait for it to load the installer. Okay, now we're in the installer. Click on English, click on Continue. For the keyboard layout, I'm going to leave it as default. Click on Continue. And click on Continue again. Wait for it to load the next page. Okay, now select Erase Disk, Install Linuxmint. Click on Install Now. And write changes to disk. Click on Continue. For the time it sets automatically, click on Next or Continue. Now enter your username that you want. Oops. And now I'm just going to do v2-virtualbox for the computer name since it can only contain letters and numbers, and I have to enter a password. Click on Continue. And now it's going to copy files and then install Linuxmint. What I'll do, this sometimes takes a while, so what I'll do is I'll be back once this is done. Okay, so the installation is complete. Now we have to restart, so just click on Restart Now. And this will restart our virtual machine. Now we need to remove our CD, our ISO, which is our remove. Then just press Enter on the keyboard. And that's going to boot us into Linuxmint. So we have the boot screen, and that is going to prompt us to enter the password we created earlier. Okay, so we're here. Then just enter password. And that is going to log us into Linuxmint. So we are logged in. One thing that you can do to make the experience better is to change the resolution. Oh, but you can't, I forgot how to say. Oh, you can't just right click. Display settings, there we go. And now I can change the resolution to, let's say, 16 by 1200. And hit on apply. And we can keep this configuration and now exit out of scale mode. Just bring it back, go to kind of too big but if you run still in scale mode with this resolution, it looks extremely good. So that's pretty much how to install Linuxmint inside VirtualBox. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section down below. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And with all that said, bye!